be the sick little kid the whole team rallies around.
Well, guys, wish me luck today. I have a job interview at the Department of Motor Vehicles.
All right, good luck, man.
Oh, headache. What a glorious man ring. See? I told you to accessorize and you finally listened.
And you like it?
Yeah, what's not to like? It's hypnotic. It looks like you have superpowers.
I'd like to see the lame-o superhero that had to wear that ring.
Cappuccino. Cappuccino.
Okay, super pals, I need a danger alert.
Come here, Oreo.
Report. Sensors indicate peace and quiet throughout the universe.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I think the oceans are secure. But I cannot check for another 45 minutes because I just ate.
Come here, girl. Come here.
Hi, guys.
Come here.
You've been brainwashed.
Come on.
Wear this
Come here, girl.
ugly ring.
Actually, it's a gift
Come on.
from me.
Form of the worst gift ever.
Come here. Come here.
Oh, no.
Come here, Oreo.
Attacking Earth. Let's swing into action, Dad. Hang on a second. We're still on this ring.
No. Cappuccino, stop barking.
Greetings, super dumbasses.
Oh, no. It's Dr. Ball.
And now my army of alien zombies will be invading. Good Lord,
Good girl.
that is an ugly ring.
Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You want to fight?
Get a load of that
You want to fight?
ring.
No, you don't want to fight.
This thing's coming on.
Good girl.
Oh, oh, be careful, man. You drop something that big and heavy to throw off the Earth's rotation.
Say hi.
We'll all go crashing into the sun.